Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, my name is Amit, and today's topic is kind of like I'm going to show you active investment versus more like a passive investment. Get you some ideas, or investing in general. It's just a little different than what I normally make the videos, but bear with me. I have not shot this YouTube video, so this is one take that I'm going to do and try to explain to you guys. Basically, show you a platform that you can do active investment and let somebody else kind of handle on for you, rather than you going ahead and actually picking different investment. All right, so enjoy the show. I hope you guys like it. Right, so there's this website called Titan. Titan is has an app. I have put in right now about $100 in there. I opened about a month ago. It's pretty cool, but here's my problem with Titan. I like them, but the problem is they're expensive. Not only since I put in my money, I have lost money, right? Here are they're holding 20 companies that they're really bullish on, that I have invested my money on. I chose their flagship program, basically large, best in class, but I just paid them, let's see, tranches first. So let me show you my, it doesn't really show you here. So I paid them $100 on March 1st, so about a month ago, right? I opened. They just charged me advisory fees. Today is 3rd, but on Thursday, and the advisory fee is $5. I don't know why it's not showing us here, but maybe it's in the document. There's no statement yet. Is there? Let me show you. So here's just all the transaction that they did, right? But it's $5 on the app. It actually is much better. It shows you that it was $5 to manage $100. So it's kind of like a flat fee type of deal. You just take your money, give it to somebody, and let them manage it. Most of these companies, I do actually agree with them. So, and I wanted to try out the platform. Like, these are a lot of them technologies. I really like technology sectors, and that's what I'm familiar with. So that's why I gave them the money. So I'll try a couple more months. Let's see how I like it, what platform, this platform, and if I agree. I don't think I agree with paying them $5 for managing per month managing my money. I wish it was based off of money, maybe, or a little bit cheaper. So that's something that definitely look out. So this is option one. Option number two is I came across this ARK Invest. They're really popping up in the news everywhere. They're really good. They have really good CEO who's kind of, produce phenomenal result for investor, and they offer ETFs. Okay, let me show you their ETFs. So active managed ETFs. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 different ETFs. The thing about ETFs is that you don't really pay fees, kind of more or less. It's indirectly, so you don't really feel it as much. But here, let me show you your exposure if you were to buy their ETFs. So you go here. The really great thing about these ETFs, like if you were to buy it, you may or may not know about these companies. If you look at their top 10 holding, Tesla, Square, Teladoc, right, Roku, it's amazing companies, like, and they're actively managing it. And look at their return. 1 year return 152%, 3 year 52, 5 year 45, since inception 36. This is crazy, the results that they've been able to get. That was for ARK Innovation ETF. Then they have autonomous technology and robotics ETFs. Right, look at this, 106%. look at all these companies that you will automatically get basically ETFs. I might buy their ETFs because there are few companies that I would like to get exposure, especially because for the which was that is the space exploration. I don't have anything. Genomic revolution, I want to be in there, and next generation, maybe. But rest assured, I will be buying some ETFs from this company. I'm still doing research. So this is another active investment, more or like hands off. You can just buy it and you're automatically basically kind of like, you don't have to do anything. You don't need to know anything. Just bring your money, open a Robinhood account, just put in these stock symbol and just purchase, right? That's it. You're done, right? Versus the Titan one that I showed you, they're not traded on stock market. They have their own platform. You have to make an account, and then from that account you kind of purchase through that. So it's a little different. How this is more like a hedge fund versus this is more like a stock market, okay, that you're going through. All right, so that was your active. Now let me show you that more like a passive ones that I have put together my own kind of portfolio that I'm trying to beat these hedge fund. For 1 year, my return 69%, right? Overall 52%, not bad. 1 quarter about 10%, and then I also have these dividends that I get. Right now it's April. I got in about $1.31 in April. So far it's only, I'm gonna get more money because it's quarterly dividend, right? So see, so April so far, and in March actually was around $19 that I've gotten. So I'm actually making more and more dividend every month. So you could buy something like this, right? Pick your company once, all these holdings, and then just slowly get money. Or if you don't want to pick on any of these, just buy one of these ETFs, right, from ARK Investment. Just go to your M1, buy one of these actively managed ETFs and forget. But here's the thing, you don't really get any dividend, okay? So this is not a dividend focus. So I just want to make sure these are growth focused companies, right? And then you should be fine. Now if you want a dividend focus, then you'll have to do, I have a company here like monthly dividend focus just itself. Here are a bunch of company like that I have listed that you can see on the screen. They pay monthly dividend. Just buy these companies, right? QYLD, Realty Income, SBR, LTC, MUB, AGG, right? SJR. But if you want dividend growth type of like growth plus dividend, then I would recommend you to pick something from my holding of these companies. These ones, most of them actually pay dividend and they're continuously growing over time. So based on what you prefer, okay, it's your kind of choice. But if you have money and you don't know much and you still like to participate, right, then you can actually just buy the ETFs or give it to Titan Invest and let them make more money for you. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.